Hi, welcome back. On this video we're going to remove the Batwing fairing on my motorbike. I'm going to show you how the brackets are on it and what I had to do to remove and mount it and wire it up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. Also check me out on Instagram at Clargo Garage. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the bolts holding the bracket on. And we're also going to unplug it, but I find it hard to unplug until you kind of get it moved away a bit. So I usually take the top ones all the way out, and then I can rotate it just a little bit forward to get that plug undone. So we're going to start taking these apart and we're going to go from there. And they're just a 12mm wrench. And then same thing on the other side. And now we're going to unplug this connector, so we'll be able to remove the Batwing all the way. And I did pull the fuse because from the manufacturer, they have the wrong pin wired hot, so if it touches anything, you'll blow your fuse. So I just removed the fuse, so I don't have to worry about it. And now I can remove the bolts the rest of the way. So I can just pick the Batwing right up and take it off. So the brackets that it's mounted to are the factory brackets that came for the factory windshield. And on the factory windshield, you only have to loosen the two bolts off and the bracket for the windshield is grooved and it pulls right out, so it's really easy. And with this fairing, they're not grooved, so you gotta take the bolts all the way out, but as you've seen, it's pretty quick and easy. So yeah, it's just the two bolts on this side. And then it's the two bolts on the other side and still on the same factory bracket. And then this is the wiring here. It comes through, it runs underneath the tank, and then comes all the way through, and then a fuse right here with a 10-amp fuse at the battery. If you need to see how to remove the seat in the gas tank, that's episode 24, and reinstalling them is episode 31. And to reset your clock is episode 32. And then on the Batwing itself, these are the brackets that we bolt right through. Same thing on both sides. So we're using, on this setup, these two holes here on both sides. The website that I ordered this from, I just had to tell them the make and model of my bike, and it came all ready to go. All I had to do is pull the windshield off and bolt the new one and bolt the fairing on. It was super quick and easy. The speakers sound pretty good. The has a 12-volt plug on it, which is fed after the switch, which is nice. So I can kill all the power to it just from the switch, and it also kills the power to the radio. And it also has a USB stick for any type of music and an auxiliary port. And the stereo itself is Bluetooth as well as regular radio, which is nice. It doesn't have a clock function on it though. My bike luckily has a clock, but the radio itself doesn't have a clock function, which I'm kind of surprised by. So now we're going to put the fairing back on. Alright, so it's pretty simple to put back on. It's a complete opposite order from taking it off. So I kind of just get it in place. And then I'll start with the two lower bolts so I can still swing it out and plug it in. I don't have to worry about it falling. Once you get one side on, it's pretty easy. Then you're on the home stretch. So I just put them in loose. And then I roll it back out. And then I can redo my power connector. And now we can put the rest of the bolts in. Alright, and that's it. The 4 bolts are back in, it's plugged in. Just gotta slip the fuse in, and then it's good to ride. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, click the notification button. Check me out on Instagram at Clargo Garage. Have a great day.